Hey guys, so today's Sunday, and as of yesterday, I tried not to film because my initial problem before is that I have problems with filming. Like, I try to do daily vlogs, and all my vlogs are like crappy. So I had no time. I'm so busy, I'm so stressed, and I end up not doing any vlogs anymore. So what I did was I tried to do upload vlogs every day of what's happening with me and with Australia here. And yeah, what happened was as I keep on uploading nonsense, like I've been putting up vlogs about me ranting, me so pathetic and everything else. And it's just for an exercise, just for me to like let things out, and also a distraction that I can do every day. And what happened was, yeah, I was doing it every day. The content was that good. It's not for entertainment or anything. It's just for personal. And the thing about it is that I kind of liked it, and I want to keep on doing it. As of yesterday, I tried to stop making it. I just tried to like pause making a vlog, but not until around 11. I really want to make one to upload to beat the 12 o'clock deadline, and that was very funny. So that's why now I'm trying to film, but I have nothing to say. I just want to tell you that yeah, I'm enjoying putting up vlogs. It's not the best cinematic. It's not the best content ever, but it's just for me. It's just for personal gain and personal information. Also, personal experience, and I just want to share it out. It's like my initial point for this is just to learn how to edit and to have an online diary. So it still works that way. Right now, I'm lazy to do anything. I need to do a lot of work, like studying, and haven't done that. So I'll try to do it now or in a few. But yeah, I just want to tell you that I also want to film this video out. I'm so lazy to set up my camera and everything else. I just got this recorder because I think it's cool, but I put it on wireless because I'm so lazy to sync the audio, and I'm not putting an ND filter there. Hence, I'm putting up my aperture at 7.1. I seldom shoot at 7.1. It's gonna be so flat, but that over there is like on 7.1. You'd understand if you're filming, but yeah, I usually film at 2.8 because the background's gonna blur, and I usually try to set up everything to make it look good with the framing. But as you can see the side of the balcony that we have, and pillows and everything. I'm not set up. I'm not dressed well. My stomach is so big. But yeah, that's real life. That's what's happening now. Also, we've just reached around 1,900 something cases a day, which is one of the records here. We regain a record here in Victoria. I don't know if I'm going to be proud or disappointed about the people. Like, Melbourne was supposed to be one of the most livable countries in the world. Man, livable city, not country. Livable city in the world, and now it's like shit. Looking forward to getting off this lockdown and yeah, shooting weddings again. Some parts of Australia, they don't have lockdown. They don't have an outbreak. Whenever an outbreak comes to Victoria, we're fucked up. Like, cases go up. Some assholes go protesting. We're even the most locked city in the world. Like, we've beat every other country under lockdowns. We've gone 200. So something's not going right here. Anyway, I don't know. My mind's been everywhere. My topics, yeah, whatever comes to my head. It's a good weather today. It's sunny also, but it's cold. The wind's cold, but yeah, it's sunny. It's nice to go out, but I need to do some schoolwork, and I need to do them now. So yeah, just want to say hi and tell you that I really love filming, even though it's just me trying to record myself or like telling you about my thoughts. Anyway, Laura's out for a job. She's done already. She's on the malls, in a shopping center, not malls, but I'm waiting for her to arrive. I'm going to prepare things up and start working on my assessments. I'm pretty scared for this semester. But anyway, you guys take care. I love you guys. Hey guys, so editing me right now. I'm trying to edit this current vlog that we have, and yeah, I was trying to film recording on this recorder, and this sounds good. This sounds very good, but the problem is I connected this wireless transmitter here, and it gave out the feedback. So the recorded audio that was here is like bad. There's like his viz and everything else, and the videos that went to the camera was okay. It was a bit. It was not good. Yeah, the thing is, I've set the transmitter to send out low outputs, I mean low gains, and this one here was creating feedback. Everything messed up. So lesson learned. That's why I love to film myself, because I learned a lot of things with my setup, and that's yeah. You heard audio. It was like I don't know. It was dull. It was not colorful. I don't know how to describe audio, but yeah, I can say that the audio was really bad with that one. On to the next video tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna discuss about my client who inquired streaming. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about that tomorrow.